Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back. My name is Christopher Brown with Teed and Brown, and welcome to your weekly news, lawn, and weather report. And this week we're going to be talking about diseases, something you've been hearing an awful lot about in the news. However, we're talking about the kind that cause problems on lawns, and notably, those are caused by fungus. Now, there's a whole bunch of different lawn diseases. We've been seeing, for example, a lot of dollar spot recently, and even a little bit of something called slime mold. Not a very nice sounding one, but it's pretty harmless in the long run. So what causes diseases? Well, there have to be three factors present. This is what we call the disease triangle. You need to have a susceptible host. That's a type of grass that's weaker and more susceptible to this problem. You need to have the pathogen. That's the actual fungus itself. And you need the environmental conditions to be just right. Well, recently we've had a lot of really ripe environmental conditions with the heat and humidity combination. So we're seeing things like dollar spot and slime mold. The good news is that these diseases typically are not devastating. They might cause a few little brown spots here and there, and they're a good indication of what's going on in the soil. They can actually tell us a lot of good information. But they're not going to wipe out the whole lawn, and they won't last forever. As soon as the weather conditions change, they'll just go away on their own because you need that environmental condition part of the triangle to be in play for the disease to actually happen. So, what's the best long-term approach for diseases? Well, we like to seed the lawn in the fall with a type of grass that's not susceptible to the disease. So therefore, we actually break the triangle in the long run by getting the right kind of grass into your lawn. Conversely, if you were to try to go out there and spray those lawns with a fungicide right now, you're saving the weaker grasses and you are perpetuating that disease triangle into the future and leaving yourself with a bigger and bigger problem every year. So we like to let this time of year show us what's wrong, where we need to reseed. We can take care of it as the weather cools down in the fall, and you're going to be in much better shape moving forward. For more information, check us out on the web at www.teedandbrown.com. Thank you for joining us again. My name is Christopher Brown. We'll see you next week.